The Intel i9-13900KS processor boasts an impressive 12-core setup, including 8 performance cores and 16 efficiency cores, making it ideal for multitasking and demanding applications. With a maximum boost clock of up to 6.0 GHz, this processor is engineered to deliver exceptional speed and responsiveness for both gamers and content creators. The inclusion of Intel's adaptive boost technology and thermal velocity boost ensures that the i9-13900KS can dynamically increase its performance when needed, providing a seamless computing experience. This processor supports the latest PCIe 5.0 and 4.0, as well as DDR5 and DDR4 memory standards, ensuring compatibility with cutting-edge components. The i9-13900KS is compatible with Intel 600 series and 700 series chipset motherboards, offering flexibility for upgrades and system builds. Although a thermal solution is not included, the processor's high base power of 150 watts highlights its capability to handle intensive tasks efficiently.